Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Firstly, my name is Usman Haruna Bakar. I'm a student at North University. My today's project is Konis Botra Individual Task Report. The topic is Love for God and His Mercy. Introduction. As a part of Konis Botra course, I choose to focus on the first element of the theology of love and conversation. Love for God and His mercy. I believe that strengthening our relationship with God is essential for building a life filled with respect, purpose, and gratitude. This individual project reflects my personal expression of faith, thought, and meaningful spiritual activities. So, guys, as you see here, we have the our God's house as you see. So, point number one, activity description. To complete this task, I organized it a personal day to decided to prayer and spiritual reflection. I asked set an entire morning for spiritual activities which include reading and reciting the Quran and along with just spiritually reflection and morning selection from my faith traditions, spending time in silent meditation, writing and gratitude, uh, less to of God's reflection on how to live with how to live with more kindness, honesty, and patience in daily life. I also add some photos during the day to document my thoughts and emotions throughout this personal experience. As we see, got here also these two photos to explain us my day's activities, how it was. Point number two, purpose of activities. The main goals of my activities were is to deep in my personal connection with God, not just for only these days, uh, but it's a continuous commitment to let go of a daily distraction and focus on my inner life to renew my spiritual energy and find find peace so prayer and communication. Point number three, uh, personal reflection and outcome. So these activities allowed me to reconnect with my spiritual values and help me feel more grounded and thankful. I realized it to I realized that loving God is not limited to prayer alone. It also includes how to treat others, how we speak, and how we forgive others, and how sincerely we serve. So, this experience reminded me that God's love is constant and expressing our love for Him means living with purpose, composition, and humility. Also, here this is a two photos to explain us also of my desk activities, how it was it. Last one is conclusion. This personal reflection is transcend my belief that God's love and more and mercy, God's love and mercy should guide every aspect of our lives, not only in worship, but also in our choice, behavior, and goals. I'm grateful for this assignment as it reminded me to pause and reflect again on what truly matters. Alhamdulillah wa shukri lillah. Praise be to God, and thanks be to God. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.